Make a great choice today with the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, backup camera, heated seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.